Poetry feels like family. Poetry is like the toughest drug in life.
Poetry is like the sun after the rain.
Poetry is like rainbows.
Hey poet! Hey what? Today is all about self-portraits. We're going to be creating our own self-portrait. That means everything about you using poetry.
One of my favorite moments from my Friday residencies is when I had students read the poem Paint Me Like I Am by the teenage poet Delia Garcia. It was just so moving and so amazing to see these students paint these powerful images of themselves.
Paint me with fairness, paint me with color, paint me without hatred, paint me without greed.
Paint me without fear. Paint me without sadness.
Right. Give a snap on that.
I'm always amazed at the progress that the students make, especially those who seem kind of shy or uncomfortable with their reading and writing skills. By the end of the program, they have such confidence in themselves.
Poetry feels like 1,000 puppies.
Poetry is like a rocket ship.
Poetry feels like no fear.
Poetry is like a fun school day.